Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to add a country code to phone numbers in Excel. So guys, from here I have an example data. So they have their full names over here and they have their phone numbers. So now let's say I want to add a country code to all of them. So what you could try to do is just simply provide an equal sign, and after that go for open parenthesis, go for double colon, and just simply provide the number. Let's say the number is +1, and close the column by adding another column. And after that, just simply provide and symbol, and now just simply select the cell of the phone number, and now we will have this formula. So you could just simply copy this formula and enter. Now, as you can see, I added +1. So guys, this formula will be your country code, and pretty much the number will be depending on your country code. And after that, if you want to apply that to all the formula, you could just simply select this cell and click the corner icon with a small box, and just simply go ahead and select everything down below. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.